In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo grids in Canva. Photo grids are a quick, polished way to arrange multiple images so everything lines up neatly without fiddling with manual alignment. They act like ready-made frames that hold your pictures and keep your layout consistent. First, open the project you want to work on so your design is visible. On the left side of the screen, click Elements. This is where Canva stores building blocks like shapes, lines, and, importantly for us, grids. Under the Browse Categories section, select Grids. You'll see a variety of grid layouts appear, from simple two-image splits to complex multi-photo arrangements. Choose the one that suits how many photos you plan to showcase and the overall mood of your design. For example, symmetrical grids feel clean and organized, while asymmetrical ones can add energy and movement. Click the grid you want, and it will drop right onto your canvas. Now adjust it and reposition it within your design. Drag the corner handles to resize while keeping proportions balanced, or use the side handles to fit a specific width or height. Move the grid by dragging from the middle until it sits exactly where you want. Keep an eye on the guides that appear. Those snap lines help you center the grid or align it with other elements so everything looks intentional. Once your grid is in place, all you need to do is click and drag a picture onto any of the frames in the grid. As soon as you let go, the image snaps into that frame and automatically crops to fit. If the subject isn't centered the way you like, click and drag the photo within the frame to shift the focal point until it looks right. Repeat this same drag and drop action for the remaining frames. If you change your mind about an image, simply drag another photo onto the same frame to replace it instantly. As you fill the grid, aim for visual balance. Mix close-ups with wider shots, vary colors and textures, and try to keep important horizons or lines roughly aligned across neighboring frames for a cohesive feel. After your photos are placed, give the grid a final nudge if needed so it complements any text, logos, or icons in your layout. That's it. Open your project, go to Elements, select Grids under Browse Categories, pick a layout, size, and position it, then drag your photos onto the frames. With this workflow, you'll create tidy, professional photo arrangements in just a few moments.